Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove silence in CapCut. This feature is great for making your videos more engaging and dynamic. Let's dive right in. First, open the CapCut app on your mobile device, and if you don't have it yet, you can download it for free from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're in the app, tap on New Project to start a new video editing session. Select the video from which you want to remove silence. After selecting your video, tap Add to import it into your project timeline. Next, tap on the video in the timeline to select it. This will bring up a menu of editing options. Now, tap on the Edit option at the bottom of the screen. In the Edit menu, tap on Audio or the volume. Select the volume and try to adjust or remove silence parts of your video. CapCut will now process the video. This might take a few moments depending on the length of your video and the amount of silence it needs to remove. Once the processing is complete, preview your video to make sure the silence has been removed as expected. You can make further adjustments if needed. When you're satisfied with the result, tap the export at the top right of the screen to save your edited video. Choose your preferred export settings and wait for the CapCut to finish exporting. And that's it. You've successfully removed silence from your video using CapCut. The benefits of video automatic cutting is save time. Video automatic cutting streamlines the editing process, saving creators valuable time that you can redirect toward more creative endeavors. Second, increase viewer engagement. Automated subtitles, translations, and balanced audio levels improve video accessibility and viewer engagement, making your content more appealing. And third, monetization opportunities. Pre-cleared background music enables creators to monetize their videos on platforms like YouTube without worries about copyright infringement. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.